Hey guys, we're gonna start this video by trying to get my LS430 to my new garage. We tried yesterday, but halfway through we blew a tire, so we just left it at my house because that was about halfway. It's a little bit of a drive. Still got a shit ton to go. But yeah, the tires were like pretty old, and this thing was like way more packed up. Oh shit. Man, I'm driving this shit back home, bro. Fuck it. Yeah, that can be for another day. It started dragging shit underneath, and the tire was squealing back here. I hope this is not about to fucking blow out because the other side did. I want to make some videos on this anyway, so I got a new lip kit for it. It's at the garage, so hop in this and go. I do need to grab some shit from here though. Alright, this thing needs to fucking wash inside and out. Still got dirt from US Air in here. That's how you wash a car, by the way. And I just realized I don't have any fucking towels with me. Good thing there's no O'Reilly's next door, so I can buy this towel and dry my car. There's a little bit of water spots, but it should be okay. I cop one of these. The worst BMW is right behind me right now. The worst one. Alright guys, here's our new garage. We're still getting situated, so nothing's really organized. But we're making some progress. I bought this sim setup for my buddy. Works pretty well. Got it for a really decent price. Came with everything, like PC, stand, TV. Decent wheels, T300. I already have one, so I know they're pretty good. I mean, all this for $650 though, which is a really good deal, in my opinion. We got some toolboxes. We got a mini fridge. That was kind of wobbly, but it's pretty cool in here. We're gonna have like a little work table here or something. That's what I want. And then the best part is it has a bathroom, which our last unit, which we still have access to until the end of this month, but moving out of there just because of them raising the price of the rent, and that got us thinking, like, should we keep paying more or should we just move somewhere that's in a better spot, because it's pretty out the way. And then this is a lot better of a location, to be honest, but it is smaller. It's cheaper though, but it has a bathroom, which is like, I love this a lot because at our old unit I need to pee all the fucking time, so nice to have this. We're gonna have a couch back here or something. Oh shit, I dropped my keys. But we're gonna have a couch back here. Other stuff, I don't know. We haven't like fully laid it out yet. But anyway, I bought another lip kit for my car because my last video, I was driving home. I broke my front lip. I gotta get this out of here. I broke my front lip, so I saw this. Wanted to try it. I need to get this open actually first. Alright, rough mock-up, but it's supposed to be something like this. Now this is a Artisan Spirit rep. I was thinking like, this is really shitty, wait, but I wouldn't have to run the side piece because this is like a 3-piece lip thing. It's like I don't have to run that. Then with skirts, yeah, it's just a simple lip kit. But I was thinking, like, if I didn't like how simple it is, I can just grab these skirts, run those under. Yeah, so something like this. Just because I think this part of the skirt, like, certain angles looks weird. Like, it's like nothing there almost. And I got something under it. I don't know. Yeah, I could just paint the main part of the splitter and keep these how they are, or paint them gloss black. Paint the bottom ones gloss black or something. I don't know. Is that who I think it is? Oh shit. Alright, I think this is what I'm gonna do. Paint that part, leave that maybe. Not exactly sure on that actually. But I'm gonna run the double skirts. I think it looks sick. I don't know if I should raise it up a little bit or what, because like it's gonna smack the floor. I don't want to break shit again and keep buying shit. But I can't really mount anything because I don't have a jack, so I can't put it in the air and send fucking screws under. Shit tough. Alright, I think I want to go back to the STI spats though. Haven't ran those in a little bit. Using the RPS Works tape to hold everything up, and it does hold shit up really good. Alright guys, this is just temporary for now, but I'm leaving it on, held up by the tape. Just because I can't really mount these properly right here. Same with these. Here's fine, like it's just a stock skirt got ripped right here, so I can't like mount it like I usually do. And then I don't have double-sided tape with me to fix the sag, otherwise it'll just fucking sag in the middle and bow like this. So we're just using the tape for now. Alright, I'm leaving now. Josh had to go do something, so figured it's a good time for me to get some groceries. We also got a car meet we're going to after. I'm not gonna lie, the last couple times I went, it was just common traffic. But I just like hanging out with people, so that's really all I'm there for. Couldn't really care about the cars there. Last week we went to a Cars and Coffees, which that was, you know, not great. Oh. Look at this bullshit I got parked next to. And then later that night, we went to another car meet at the boba place. And we went kind of late, so I thought maybe it wouldn't be much there, but there was a good amount of cars and some cool shit there. Yeah, look at this. This thing's fucking sick. Look at this.
I know.
Honda. There's more. Some.
I don't know why, but like, that's his plane. That's not his plane.
Alright, me and Josh are heading to that meet now.
All my girl is cold. All my ice is cold.
And if you do, it's
Put the park by these.
Yeah.
A lot of different shit here. This thing's actually S65 swapped. Oh, this is the coolest thing here.
This is what the Cedric needs. Let's get like.
This is a real proper build too.
Video.
Yeah. This thing too. Definitely a build. Shit, it's crazy.